This jollof is super easy, delicious for your little ones, your kids, the family, a visitor, get together anywhere you can name it. Okay, so let's get into the video and see how we make this beautiful jollof. So these are my ingredients that I'm going to blend, and I have something like this. So I'm going to use this one to season my chicken and also for the jollof. So in a pot with my oil, I added some part of it into the oil and then I stir. So the next part, I am using this chicken and then it's washed and clean. I added some of the remaining blended ingredients and I added salt to taste. So we stir it and then we cover it for it to cook. This chicken is a soft chicken, and then we wouldn't allow it to cook for a long time because we are going to grill it. So here I check on my sauce and it's cooking beautifully. I stir everything. This jollof we have to stir. So we don't want any burnt jollof, okay? So we have to stir regularly, okay, in between. So here I added my tomato paste to it and allow it for it to melt. So whilst it's on fire, I go ahead and check on my chicken. It's cooking beautifully. I tried to turn it the other side so that they can also have the heat, okay? And then I added there was no water, so I added a little bit of water to it so that I can get some stock for the jollof. Okay, so here I have added a little bit of water and then I stir again, cover for it to do its work. So if you are new here, this is Cook with Debbie. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate it. Please share this video so that your girl can grow so well, and it helped me so much to bring you more recipes. Yeah, so here I added my fresh tomatoes to the sauce and then I stir it. So we allow it for it to cook beautifully and then we come back. So here we have some oil on top of the stew and it's almost cooked. Yeah, so we stir again so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Here I added my spices. You can use any spices of your choice, but here I am using some chili pepper, rosemary, I'm using some black pepper powder and some curry powder. These are the spices that I use, and some bay leaves. Okay, yeah, so we stir everything and the smell, the aroma, yeah, it smells so good. And here I added a little bit of the stock because I'm going to use the remaining for the rice. For the stew, I added small. And then I stir everything and it's ready for us to add our rice. Here I'm using some jasmine rice. You can use basmati rice, any rice of your choice, you can use it. But with this video, I'm using jasmine rice. And another ingredient I'm using here is coconut milk. Okay, coconut milk. Yeah, so this is what I am using for the flavor and also the juiciness of the jollof. And here I added my remaining stock, and I realized that the stew was not too much, so I added two scoops of some stew to it, and then I stir. Always you have to divide the stew, and when you add the rice is not enough, then you can add more stew. Done to add the rice and you realize the stew is too much, so to save some stew too, this is how you go about it. So here I check it and then it's time for us to stir. jollof rice needs to be stirred. It only needs the vapor to cook, okay? Not too much heat. It needs some vapor. The medium heat is okay. Then you check on it from time to time. So at first I have stirred, and here the water has evaporated, and I'm still stirring, okay, so that it will cook evenly. If you don't check on it, you see that after it has been cooked, there will be some hard and some not so cooked, and it wouldn't be nice, okay? So you have to cover it well with some foil paper, and then you continue to stir for the vapor in it to cook the rice evenly. So here at this point, my rice was cooked or almost cooked, and then I added my vegetables. So as you can see, I have carrots, bell peppers, all the colors, and then it was looking so nice. I used my foil paper to cover it, and then it steam it so nicely. You can also steam it on the side and then add to it. Any of it is okay. So here I am stirring so that the vegetables will mix with the rice, and our rice is done. It's looking so good. Are you going to give it a try? Kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not, and then share this video. Do you have any comments on this recipe? Then write it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching to this far, and our rice is done. All is left for us to do is to serve and enjoy. So this is how I serve it, and that's my chicken. I grill it. Yeah, I like grilling than to fry in another oil. So this is how it turns out. Thank you so much, and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. You will love it. So see you in my next video. Bye.